Hello music lovers, this is Isaac from IWM. I hope you're doing absolutely fantastic. I do. Why? Well, today is a big day. We're gonna talk about producing guitars. And yes, let's go. Okay, so what's your favorite guitar playing? Put it in the comments and let's discuss that. I'm a music producer from Sweden and I work with a lot of different artists, and a lot of the times there's a style or certain vibe that has to be just made up, and that's where I come in. Okay, so I'm gonna present to you my dear old friend, my guitar. As you can see, I have a new camera angle. Okay, it's not on. There you go. And let's see if we can make something out of this guitar. Haha. I have already done a beat. It's kind of funky vibe beat. And let's see if we can add a cool guitar to that. And this is just my approach in playing and producing guitars. Your approach, put it in the comments. No problem with that. Okay, are you ready? Let's see. Okay, so what do I think when I produce guitar? Well, I want to be in a certain mode first. Then you know, I want to feel the music, I want to feel the vibe, I want to feel the rhythm, and then things just pop out of my hands. So let's see what this will end up in. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's listen. Yeah. Okay, not bad. We're gonna put the volume down a little bit and then try another guitar with another sound. And as you can hear, I've already managed to bring forth a sound that I believe has the vibe and the tone that I really want the song to be in. So let's just see what happens with the second guitar. Okay, I have an idea of how to play. Okay, one more. That was not a good one. 1, 2, 3. How about the last one? Okay, let's take that one away. All right, 3 and 4. Okay, so what do we have here? I'm gonna take that one down as well and maybe add a third one. Yes, you guessed it. I'm gonna find my correct input, which is number 3. Let's keep this one very straight. Okay, I don't know. Let's see. Okay, I have an idea. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4. let's see if we can manage to take this one away, the guitar, okay, and see if we can just blend these three in a good way. Okay, let's try. 3 and 4. Let's go stereo. Okay, and then if you would approach some vocals, a good place to start is the few places that has a pause in the music. So it would be something like this. Take me to the chorus. Oh, and then the chorus might be coming. I don't know. Okay, so when you approach guitars, in my opinion, is to really find these chords. To really find the feel, the emotion, and the vibe, and the guitar phase. You wanna make sure you find that first, and then you just melt into the music and see what happens. I had no idea that this song would turn up in this way, but let's listen again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Take me to the chorus. One more. Turn around. Turn around. Take me to the chorus. Okay, so this is the way I produce guitars today. Tomorrow might be something different. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do. And why is that? Well, it makes me create content more like this for you to embrace in your music. So, if you have any suggestions about producing guitars and what's your favorite way of playing guitar, put it in the comments and let's discuss that. Until next time, keep on funking. All right, let's go. Turn around. Turn around. Take me to the chorus. Take care.